We're giving you a sneak peek inside the brand new Goodwill at Sunridge here on 32nd Avenue. Doors open this Friday. That's a grand opening event at 10 a.m. And the first 150 guests will get a scratch card, chance to win some prizes. I'm joined now by Spencer here at Goodwill. Good morning, Spencer.
Good morning.
Now, this is a great opportunity for people to get thrifting. A brand new location means brand new items, but Goodwill is also a registered charity. This is all for a great cause. Tell us about your mission here in Alberta.
Absolutely. So Goodwill is a registered nonprofit. Our mission is to help Albertans with disabilities access meaningful work. So 92 cents of every dollar earned by a Goodwill actually goes towards funding that mission.
Now, you do that in two ways because you not only work directly with people with disabilities, but you also help businesses who want to be more inclusive. Tell us about the Employment Inclusion Accelerator program.
Sure. So the Employment Inclusion Accelerator, or EIA, that program is Goodwill's chance to really rely on our long history and experience working with people with disabilities and teach other businesses around Alberta how to be more diverse and inclusive when they're being the employer. So that really draws on that knowledge about how to make accommodations, how to make people feel safe and welcome in the workplace.
Yeah, that's right. And all you really have to do as a business, you have to have more than 3 employees, of course. And currently, Goodwill here in Alberta works with more than 60 businesses.
Yeah, so we work with more than 60 businesses between Edmonton and Calgary. And the program is entirely free. So Goodwill really offers that as part of our mission to be able to have employers access that education to no cost so that they can really just sort of improve their business and grow.
What are some examples of businesses that you currently work with?
Oh, so we work with groups like Graham Construction and even businesses as small as, say, like Milk Jar Candles. So really, it's a really broad array of businesses. So the scope can be huge, but really we want to work with anyone who's committing to that diversity.
And of course, the people, the staff here at Goodwill, many of them do have disabilities themselves.
Yeah, absolutely. So about 20% of Goodwillians, as we call them, have a self-disclosed disability. So we really have been doing this since 1963 when Goodwill was founded in Alberta.
Incredible. Thank you so much, Spencer.
No, not a problem. Thank you so much.
Now, if you're interested in learning about more of Goodwill's programs here, you can always visit their website, goodwill.ab.ca.